the other side of it. Oh. Did you eat anything? Huh? Oh, look at that. Yeah, baby.
That's a new comb. We're on the new side of the nest right here. See how wide that is?
So we need to go that way.
Yep.
Yep.
They've got a pretty good population, from what I can tell already.
Well, you ain't seen shit yet, man.
Let me get this other glove on for me.
Give me your other smoker over yonder.
Alright, that's what we're going to do.
Here. Over here, too. Hammer.
I tell you,
Let me get in there.
if we can figure out how, wide it is, we can just cut these boards up with the comb attached. Whew, the smoker's about to get us.
Let me see this minute off. We're gonna tire up here.
Let me have this. Raise that up and I'll find this out. Oh, wait a minute, wait. Here, go stick your bar back in.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for.
Alright. Right there. Hold it up.
I'm very surprised they ain't flied out on us yet.
Give me another flashlight here.
I just had one on me. Oh, it's here in my pocket.
Hey, hand me that board, Rob.
Huh?
Hand me that board. What'd you do with it?
Oh, I thought.
Now, if we can get, I believe they're just right straight back. But if so, we can just cut these boards out and pull it up, comb and all.
Yeah. Well, we need to get that board plumb through yonder. Look, that son of a bitch goes plumb over in yonder.
All right. Hey, Rob.
Huh?
We're gonna let me in over there a minute.
I don't believe we. Yeah, well, if we know that quick right there. You know what?
Well, just look at all the rest of them. It don't. They don't.
No, I mean it runs through and under this wall. Shit. I'll tell you what. Probably what we ought to do.
Take that saw to it. Careful, careful, careful.
See if you can
I'm telling you, I think our best move.
Now, I see what you're saying, pal. Cut this board.
Look, if you get down right here, actually. Oh wow. I can see the whole nest just about right here.
Look over there, Rob. See, they're all in this.
Yep, they're right here for you.
This is new comb too, so this is. I believe this is going to be a massive nest.
Reckon I'll just take a chainsaw.
Look,
Chainsaw.
look right here. That comb, this baseboard, it's got about
So you got
inch and a half.
This way and that way. So it's all that way.
Yep.
Hey,
If
Rob.
we had this cut and that.
Now what you got is that.
I believe.
Cut out to this frame, and we'll cut out to this frame with the chainsaw.
If you cut right along that board toward the wall, I believe we could just pull.
Yeah, take that
Yeah.
section out.
We are hoping.
Yeah.
If you get down here, wow, that's beautiful. I don't know if the camera's picking it up good.
Well, if you ain't got enough light, if you show me a light, I'll give me that little black light. Right there, Rob. Let's see if we can get him a shot. Uh-oh, we're emptying honey, baby. It's on the floor.
Is it?
Look right here, Rob. Look at the honey.
Yep. Yep, I see it there in the mouth.
I'm too out of shape for this crawling on the ground.
Let me go get the chainsaw, Rob.
Wait just a minute, I'll go get it. Here. I'll just get your stuff situated there.
All right, we got stuff situated, but now...
Hey, now is the time we need to get our boxes.
Huh?
We need to get our
Yeah,
boxes.
let's think it through. Come on.
Let me squeeze back real quick. Yeah, that comb is new. That's very new.
It's all new.
Now,
Where's the bar?
get you, all right. Let me have a bar to help you. Give me that long, straight claw hammer for you. And I'll help you with
Right here.
No, just lay it on the side of it. It's a straight claw. Big metal hammer.
Oh,
Here, this will work. Now, if we can come up at the same time, Rob. Because then we're going to disturb them.
Get right. Oh, it's loose. It's loose.
Yeah. Wait a minute on this side. See how they are?
Yeah.
Now I need that knife down there. We cut that edge.
Yeah. We got a knife. I brought it.
Oh, my hive tool's laying right there next to you.
But we're on.
See right here what we gotta find.
Where's our queen cage or catcher thing?
Did you bring it?
It's in the truck.
It's in the truck. There's a big long sharp knife here too.
I can't see. I'm just gonna leave it right there for now.
Here we got it. Look.
Wait a minute. We might find the queen here.
No, that's what we're looking for.
I know it. We need something to catch her with though.
Where's that queen cage at?
It ought to be laying on the dash or something.
Here. These we don't need. But and I've got it.
Find it?
Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Now,
Right here's the important part.
Get your string and get one of them things ready to in case you find the queen.
Oh, that's a delicate comb.
She's right there, baby.
That's ripping. Oh, I see why. Because we ripped. Okay.
No, boys, right here. You're gonna put that right down in there, and you're gonna cut it off.
Yeah. Let's see. I had another light.
Where's that?
You can do it,
Another
but
light.
if you go that route,
Another light laying that chair for you. I don't look over here for the queen.
you're
What choices you got?
Yeah.
you're gonna have to put them in the frame. You'll never manage that hive if you just put it in here like this right here. Every time you take it apart, it'll rip its comb.
Yeah, but we're gonna take out the bees. All we want right now is the bees.
Yeah, and then we'll work with the comb.
Well, if that's the case, then just leave them for now.
Here,
If we can
take
find
them
out,
like this, guys.
no, I'm
I'll show you
saying
what an old man done.
you're gonna shake them off and they're gonna go right back. That's what I'm trying to tell
We're
you.
not.
No, they won't bite.
They ain't gonna
Look
stay in
right
that
here,
box.
Right here.
Got no reason to.
Travis, start looking for the queen.
The queen ain't gonna be on the honeycomb. She's gonna be in the brood nest.
That's how we got to take out 2 more boards. Look.
Now those are foragers right there, or nurse bees getting
Nurse bees.
food to feed.
All right, just a minute. We're gonna unnurse her ass right here. Wait just a second. You may have to take your bar right over there.
Yeah, go.
Wait a minute.
This is loose. It's gonna
Okay,
fall.
yeah, it's fixing to.
Now this. Oh my God, it's so soft.
Yeah.
Here, forget about that and put it right here, baby.
Set it right. There you go.
Set it right on there and I hold it back.
Set it right on the bottom.
Try not to squish them.
You better get your string and start
Yeah.
getting the loop around there.
Where's some string? Yeah.
Ants in it. It should be right there next to
Okay, I found
It's got what in it?
ants. See them right here crawling? That's crazy.
That's all right. Them bees will take care of them damn ants.
Yeah, I'm just surprised they hadn't already.
Watch him. Watch him.
Now come back over here, Rob, and go a strand or two. Too
We
many
can just,
hands. Too many hands.
if we can keep it in there secure like this,
Yeah.
we're probably gonna end up putting more comb in this rack. There's a lot.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Oh God!
Wait a minute. Stay down on your knees, whatever you have to do.
My foot was going to sleep.
I need to go get that other box. If we're gonna do this one piece at a time, we gotta do this one here too.
Yeah. All right. Wait just a second.
Oh shit!
Oh my God.
What's that, mate?
Boys, this ain't gonna.
Okay. You're good. You can set that in there.
Hopefully,
Oh, is that Fred?
Lord. Look under there.
Hey, look.
It goes far, don't it?
Now look,
Oh,
it goes all the way that damn wall.
Let's set this son of a bitch point.
Boy, this ain't gonna work. We ain't got enough materials. I'm gonna go get the beehive.
Yep. All right. We need to get this and get her string situated.
Boys,
The string ready for next one. All right.
boys, I think that I don't know.
What do you think?
Here's what I think. We never get that damn board out, will we?
Yeah, I'll get that somehow. I'll stick that saw back in there. Wham. This will come out. It's cut. There's the end of it, and it's cut over there, so it'll come out.
Where you at, Queenie? She's stirring around now.
Yeah.
I really hope that bee ain't in my suit.
Now, buddy, we'll get him out for you.
He's on your forehead.
Is it?
No.
Right here?
No, he's right here.
Oh, okay.
He's on you. Bring him right here.
Hey, Rob,
Huh?
what we need? Here, don't kill that little fella. We don't want to hurt you, buddy. We're just out here to playing with you.
I'm
We're gonna
surprised we're not covered right now.
Huh? Because it's dark?
Yeah. Yeah.
If it wasn't dark down there, honey. That's why I don't shine this light too much.
All right.
Hey, Rob, if we could take them up, just set them up on something, and we'll take them down there and put them in that damn big hive. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
But at some point, we got to separate the bees from the comb. We'll never get them out of here. What do you think? Tell me what you think.
The best plan, in my opinion, is to take it slow, do what we're doing,
Put
put the frame that's, now if it's empty comb, obviously we don't need that. Just keep piecing it. And,
You ain't gonna find no empty from here out.
no, from there back, it'll be full.
once we get
Look at it
a
right
couple
here.
more
man.
layers into this, we'll start hitting brood.
Look at that right there. It's running where I torqued.
We get a couple more layers of comb back, I believe we'll start hitting brood. And that's where we'll find our queen at.
You better
Should be looking
Here,
for
wait a
a-
minute, Rob.
You better be
But boys, that's what I'm worried about. Queen going out the front door.
yeah. I don't believe she will.
I mean, I don't think it. Okay, Rob, now what you said.
Wait just a minute. Wait a minute, that sucker will pop.
No, it ain't. I'm gonna hold it.
There you go. Okay, now I get you. There we go.
Oh, now I got one falling over.
Yeah, he'll follow. All right. Let me get the string.
Alright, yeah, if we can get it like that right there, we can deal with it here in a little bit.
Hey, how about this, guys? I'm gonna go get I'm gonna get the box.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And then we'll put whatever we got in the box. Then we'll shake the bees off.
Yeah.
If and when we think we got the queen, we're good.
yeah, if we can get her, we can shake every one of them.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking. Once you get the queen, we won't worry about nothing else. We've got that wolf. Then you can work with that anyhow you want to, right?
Oh yeah. They'll march right in that hive after once they smell her. This bee really likes me.
Good. Those two making love on you. Yeah, they're going around nose to nose right there. You ain't seen nothing you seen that other house down yonder.
Is that the one that has multiple nests in it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get down there and get a good view. We've just started getting into this, but this is what it looks like so far. See that this white comb? That's all fairly new comb. I wouldn't be surprised if this ain't just like a year old. It might even just be this year old.
No.
Huh?
It was here last year.
They
Was
took
it?
down. Hey, we'll find out how old they are when we get up there.
Yeah. All this.
This is we got the hive out. What we're doing now is tying the comb into these racks so the bees will ideally keep building the comb within the racks. We've still got some comb that's still attached to the board in there. I don't know if y'all can see it.
What we gotta do, man, is
There you go. Put that in there. Hey, you think it has to be all nice and neat and shit? Look what they done.
Oh no, it ain't gotta be anyway. But good luck trying to check a hive that's built like that.
Yeah. Hey, as long as we get them home.
Yeah, the super. I mean, at the end of the day, if you can.
all you gotta do is have enough for them to survive on.
That's exactly.
This hive was doing pretty well here. Look there on the wall, starting to congregate. There's groups of them.
Right.
Right there. Where they kept going over there to that left side, there's... Yeah, we filled this box up. It's got 5 frames in it. And there's a couple in here. There's still comb laying in there. It's a very big wild hive. Bigger than I thought it was going to be. But at the same time, I wasn't surprised to come in here and been surprised to come in here and seen 6 foot long
How many
comb.
times you got it?
Hi.
How many times you got it today?
I got one on the knee. Put the knee on, then I put my hand on one. Hell, I ain't got stung a time other than me and my
That's how it goes, ain't it? That's too cool. Lots of bees.